My name is Sheyi Fabi. I am the GIS consultant for Ibadan Urban Flood Management Project. Uh, I want to speak a little on the Hackathon program. I lead a team of IUFMP on the collaboration between University of Ibadan and Oyo State Government for the arrangement of Tan and Gam to make the huge resources available in the knowledge industry, particularly University of Ibadan, available to the civil servants and all the people in Oyo State, so that there can be a symbiotic relationship between the two organizations. So we have signed an MOU with the University of Ibadan and Oyo State government to exchange ideas and also to bring the knowledge industry contribution to the Oyo State governance. One of the fallout of that arrangement is the sponsorship of Joe Hackathon program. Joe Hackathon is a project that is meant to encourage the youth, students, postgraduate students, and undergraduate students, and even the research community to develop applications and model engineering solutions to societal problems. So the theme for this project, for this year, Joe Hackathon Season 2 is Urban Resilience, Ibadan, Urban Resilience. We are going to make available the over 213 layers, data layers generated through the master plans prepared by Ibadan Urban Flood Management Project, available to the contestants so that they can develop applications, model prototype engineering solutions, business solutions to solve problems in urban area, specifically on Ibadan, but can also be generalized to solve any problem in a similar urban setting. We have also, the Ibadan Urban Flood Management Project is a credit finance project by World Bank for your state that started 6 years ago, and we have been able to produce two master plans, Ibadan City master plans and Ibadan Drainage master plans. For the successful implementation of these master plans, we have also implemented 3 GIS laboratories, Geographic Information System laboratories, to enable robust spatial data infrastructure for urban governance in Oyo State. These laboratories are equipped with the necessary software and hardware. We have servers, we have proprietary software and open source software. We have access to several images, drone images, LiDAR data. A lot of data sets are there which can be useful for research communities to solve numerous problems that are facing urban areas, especially the climate change issues, flooding issues, several problems that are bedeviling our urban settings. So this Joe Hackathon project that is coming up, we encourage our youth to develop applications and several solutions to so many problems that we are having. We are going to have a stakeholder workshop on the 5th of October, which will bring together the research community in the University of Ibadan and also the civil servant, the technocrats from the Oyo State government to sit together at the table, discuss problems facing their activities and discuss problems facing Ibadan city, Ibadan urban setting, such as pollution, such as flooding, such as high density, such as slum. All these problems will be discussed together, and then we are going to think out solutions to it. This is a very symbiotic relationship, robust relationship for bringing the university system, the university environment, and also the civil service environment. We are also looking at capacity building for the Oyo State officials by the University of Ibadan and we are also going to make available the data sets that have been generated in our GIS laboratories for the student research community in the university, so that they can also develop real life solutions to problems. We have a portal, we have a geoportal, which is in Ibadan flood oyostate.gov.ng. This portal has a lot of data layers that we have already uploaded, which can be available to people from outside, and they can be downloaded and can be used for different solutions in Oyo State and also in Nigeria in general. So we are also making available the laboratories for the students who want to do internship, and people that academic staff that want to do sabbatical in these laboratories, so that they can actually develop, they can improve on their research skills, and they can also improve on the developing solutions, real-time solutions, real-life solutions, which can be upscaled by the industrial sector. The GeoHackathon program is going to also bring in the industrial partners into the equation, so that the prototypes that are developed by the participants can be upscaled, can be developed into big projects. It can incubated into projects, so that can be popularized and can be marketed. So we are looking at a long-term relationship between the University of Ibadan and Oyo State government, though the lifespan of Ibadan Urban Flood Management Project is about 2022, but the relationship between Oyo State government and the University of Ibadan will be a continuous one.